We live on an amazing planet, just one among trillions in an unfathomable universe. As we go about our daily lives in a busy and challenging world, sometimes we lose sight of what we really are. People come in an amazing range of sizes, shapes, colours, and abilities. And while some people have it all together with ease, not everyone feels like they could measure up to the extremely high standards our cultures set for us. Of course, we all like to feel proud of ourselves, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. But the pressure to conform is making some of us extremely anxious. We all want to love, and we all want to be loved. But life isn't always kind to us. Sometimes bad things happen to us and our confidence can be shattered. We can lose ourselves in the fog, and sometimes we can even go to war with ourselves, doing daily battles with negative thoughts and feelings. We might even start believing that we're broken beyond repair. But I want to tell you that there is a majesty and beauty within you just waiting to be rediscovered. We all want to know peace in our lives. We want to wake up and know who we truly are. We want to remember how to play and how to let our hair down once in a while. And we want to look in the mirror and say, "I love you," and feel like we really believe it when we say it. If you're ready to start feeling good enough, if you're ready to come home to yourself, then How to Love Your Inner Human will take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make that happen. Grab your copy of How to Love Your Inner Human today and become your own best friend forever. From the author of the Amazon UK bestseller Anxiety Relief, How to Love Your Inner Human is available in paperback, ebook, and audiobook formats. You can pick up your copy of the audiobook to keep completely free when you sign up for a 30-day free trial with Amazon Audible. Trial must be cancelled within 30 days to avoid charges. Use the link below to get your book today.